welcome to our show. We are the two white birdies. We are brothers, and today we're going to do a show about... How about what? Actually, what are we going to talk about? I don't know. Do you not have anything to talk about? Oh, wait. Let's show our little brother. Where is our little brother? Oh, there he is. He can make music. Come with us. This is our family. We are the two brothers, and this is our little brother. He can make music. You can dancing with this music all day long until you're sick of it. We also have a big brother. Where is our big brother? There is our big brother. Big brother, come to us.